Is one session of Mesotherapy worth it? No. About Mesotherapy solution treatment, we recommend you do it once in 2 weeks. You can get always results after 2 to 3 treatments according to our 21 years customers' feedback. We provide Mesotherapy solution products for skin rejuvenation, skin whitening, hair growth, hair loss, skin lifting, and fat dissolving, which we receive 99.8% positive feedback in the past 21 years. The raw material of our Mesotherapy products are made with hyaluronic acid, which costs $45,000 per kilogram, PDRN, vitamins, animal acid. We put Mesotherapy products in medical-grade high-grade silicone glass ampoules, which is without impurities on the inner wall, and seal the ampoules with medical-grade silicone lead with high-level aluminum-free. With the top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production workshop and more than 1,000 mature formulas, we have successfully provided OEM and ODM services to over 453 customers. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.